Hello friends, convert 7. Now we are doing page number 18 using distributive property. Try this, right? Page number 18. It is on page number 18. So we have to use distributive property. Here we can write minus 49 into 18 is what? 10 plus 8. Right? Or 20 minus 2 also we can write. Right? 20 minus 2, that will be easy. Okay, so minus 49 multiply 20, right? Minus 49 को 20 से और 2 से दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करके बीच में क्या आ रहा है माइनस. ओके, we will multiply minus 49 with 20 and 2 putting minus sign between them, right? So minus 49 multiply 2, minus 49 20s are minus 980, 49 twos are, and minus and minus is plus, so 980, 98, right? 980 plus 98. Here one is minus, one is plus, right? एक माइनस है एक प्लस है, तो माइनस करना है. 980 minus 98, 980 minus 98, 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 9, 17 minus 9 is 8. Then 8, so 882 minus 882, sign of bigger number. 980 is bigger, so we have to put minus sign, right? Same way here, if we take here minus 25 multiply minus 30 and minus 1, right? So minus 25 we multiply with minus 30 and 1, so minus 25 multiply minus 30 minus 25 multiply 1, right? So 20 minus minus plus, so 25 threes are 75 and 1 0, right? 25 threes are and 1 0, and here is what? Minus minus plus, so 25 ones are 25, so answer is what? 50 plus 25 75, so 775 is answer. Okay, then here what we have to do? 70 and 70, so 70 is common, so 70 we have to take common. Minus 19 and minus 1, minus 19 minus 1 is what? Minus 20, so 70 multiply minus 20, 70 7 to 14 and 2 0, and plus minus minus, so minus 1 4 double 0 is answer. Okay, then we are starting exercise 1.3. Okay, question number 1. 3 ones are 3 and plus minus minus, so minus the answer. 2 to 5 ones are, so minus 2 to 5, right? If we multiply minus 1 with any number, we will get what? Its additive inverse. Additive inverse of 3 is minus 3, additive inverse of 2 to 5 is minus 2 to 5, and here minus minus plus 21 3s are 63. 63 and 1 0, so minus 630 plus 630 because minus minus plus. Again here minus minus plus 316 ones are 316, right? Additive inverse of minus 316 is plus 316. Then multiplication of any number with 0, answer is what? 0. Here minus minus plus 12 11s are 132. 132 10s are, so 0. Anything into 10 we have to put just 1 0. Okay, so it will be multiplied by 10. Then here question number 2 we are doing LHS and RHS we have to do. We will write therefore multiply 7 minus 3 plus minus is minus, and here 7 18 7s are 126 plus minus is minus, then 18 3s are 54. Therefore 18 multiply 7 minus 3 is 4, and 6 minus 4 2, 12 minus 5 is 72, right? And 18 4 that is what? 72, that is equal to 72. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. राइट दिस यू कैन राइट बिलो दिस, राइट इसके नीचे आप लिख सकते हैं, बट because of no space I have written LHS equal to RHS on the side. Okay, आपके पास space हो तो आप नीचे लिखना, right, because of no space I have written on the side. Then here also LHS and RHS minus 21 multiply opening the brackets minus 4 minus 6, right, then that is equal to minus minus plus 21 4 जा 84, 21 6 are 126, right, therefore minus 21 minus 4 minus 6 minus 10, right, minus minus plus and sign of bigger number, so 84, 4 plus 6 is 10, 9 plus 12, 21 210, so and 21 10 ja 210 minus minus plus, therefore we can write 210 is equal to 210, again I have no space so I am writing on the side, you can write below it, right, you will have space, LHS equal to RHS, right, thus it is verified. Okay, again I am explaining like this, find using distributive property, minus 49 into 18. So minus 49 into 20 minus 2 I can write instead of 18. Then whichever is outside the bracket I have to multiply with both in the bracket. Right, जो bracket के अंदर है वो दोनों नंबर से हम bracket के बाहर वाले को multiply करेंगे. And whichever is sign here we will put between them. So minus 49 into 20 minus 49 into 2. So 49 to the 98 and 1 0 minus 980 minus plus 49 to the 98. So 980 minus 98 is 882, right? Same way minus 25 into minus 31. So minus 31 is what, minus 30 minus 1. So we have to multiply minus 25 with both of the number in the bracket. So minus 25 to minus 30 minus 25 to 1. Right, so minus minus plus 25 3 are 75 1 0, right, here we have 1 0, so we will put 1 0, 25 3 are, okay, then 25 1 are minus minus is plus, so 750 plus 25 775, okay, now 70 into minus 19 and plus minus 1 into 70, here we have two terms, one term and two terms, right, first term and second term. So in both the terms we have common number 70, right, so we will bring it out, and other numbers which are left we will write in the bracket, okay, which is left in the first term minus 19 is left, and in second term minus 1 is left, right, whichever is left we will write in the bracket. So minus 19 and minus 1, because plus minus is what, minus, so minus 19 minus 1 is minus 20 and 70 as it is, 7 2s are 14 and 2 zeros we will put, okay, here is 1 0, here is 1 0, so 2 zeros will be there, 7 to the 14, so 1400, right, plus minus is minus, so minus 1400 is answer, okay. Then we are starting exercise 1.3, first one 3 into minus 1 minus 3, we will, if we multiply any number with minus 1 we will get its additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. Then additive inverse of 2 to 5 is minus 2 to 5, right? So minus 1 into 2 to 5 minus 2 to 5, plus minus is minus, okay. Then minus 21 into minus 30, so 630, right? 21 3s are and 1 0. Then minus 316 into minus 1 minus minus plus, okay. Then answer is 316. 316 will be 316. Then any number into 0, answer is 0. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18, then answer is 0. Okay. Then minus 12 into minus 11, 132, minus minus plus, and 132 tens are 1320, just putting 1 0. Okay. Right, कोई भी नंबर को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, पीछे क्या करेंगे, 0 रखेंगे. Then question number 2 is important. This question is asked in exam. On exam point of view, it is very much distributive property, right? This is called distributive property. Distributive property. So 18 into 7 plus minus 3, that is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3, right? So 18 into plus minus is minus, so 7 minus 3, 18 7 is 126, 18 into minus 3 minus 54, right? So 18 7 minus 3 is 4, and 18 7 is 126, 18 is 54, 126 minus 54 is 72, and 18 4 is 72, so 72 equal to 72, so LHS equal to RHS. Okay, same way minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, so plus minus opening the brackets, minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6, right? Here minus minus plus, here 21 4 is 84, and 21 6 are 126, here also minus minus plus, so 84 plus 126 is 210, and 21 into minus minus plus and sign of bigger number, so minus 4 minus 6, 4 plus 6 is 10, right? And minus 10 will come because bigger number is minus, so minus 21 into minus 10, minus minus plus, so 210, here also 210, right? So LHS is equal to RHS we can write. Now we will do question number 3. Okay, write down this one. Okay friends, now we are doing question number 3 for an integer. What is minus 1 into a is equal to? That we have learned minus 1 into a is what? Minus a. Minus 1 into a is equal to minus a, and that is additive inverse of a, which is additive inverse of a. Additive inverse of a, right? This is answer, right? minus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कोई भी नंबर तो उसका क्या आएगा? एडिटिव इनवर्स आएगा. सेम वे हियर डिटरमाइन द इंटीजर होल्स प्रोडक्ट with minus 22. minus 1 is, so minus 1 into 22 is this, right? So here also we can write minus 1 into minus 37. We have to just write it static inverse, and 0 has any additive inverse? No additive inverse, so we can write 0 into 0, right? So we can write here minus plus 22 is additive inverse of minus 22. Required number is plus 22. Required number is 22. Here required number is minus 37. Required number is minus 37. Just you have to change the sign. Okay, 0 into any number we can write, right? 0 is additive inverse of itself. 0 has no additive inverse. 0 has no additive inverse. No additive inverse. Okay, we have written additive inverse. Okay, minus 22 has additive inverse plus 22. Plus 37 is additive inverse minus 37. But 0 has no additive inverse. Then starting from minus 1 cross 5, this we have to show. So we will start minus 1 into 5, minus 1 into 4, minus 1 into 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 1, then minus 1 into 0, and at last minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, minus 1 5 are minus 5, minus 1 4 are minus 4, and that is equal to what? Minus 5 and minus 1. Right, so minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 5 plus 1, right? Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. that is equal to -3 and that equal to यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है -4 से -4 minus -1 that is equal to -4 plus 1 right. Same way we have to start -2 and that is equal to we will start from -3 minus -1 that is equal to -3 plus 1 right. Same way here -1 into +1 so -1 we will start from -2 minus -1 -2 plus 1 okay. Then -1 into 0 anything into 0 answer is 0. We will start from -1 minus -1 that is equal to -1 plus 1 okay. Same way here -1 into -1 that is equal to +1 that is equal to what? We will start from 0 minus -1 that is equal to 0 plus 1 okay. This we have done right. ये पहले हम कर चुके हैं. Now again I am explaining for any integer a what is -1 into a equal to. So -1 into a that is equal to additive inverse minus a which is additive inverse of a right. Any number multiplied by -1 you will get its additive inverse. Determine the integer whose product with -1 is 22 into so -1 into its additive inverse -22 का additive inverse क्या है +22 right. So required number is 22. Here 37 -1 into what? -37 is 37. Required number is -37 right. So 0 has no additive inverse. 0 का कोई additive inverse नहीं है. 0 को -0 plus 0 नहीं लिख सकते right. 0 has no any sign -1 plus. It is neutral number. 0 is neutral number. Starting from -1 into 5 right. Various products showing some pattern to show -1 into +1 that is equal to +1 -1 into -1 equal to +1. So -1 into 5 then 4 then 3 2 1 0 and -1 -1 5 is -5 -1 4 is -4 and that is equal to -5 से start करेंगे -1 so -5 plus 1 then -1 into 3 that is equal to -3. We will start from -4 -4 into -1 so -4 plus 1 then -1 2 is -2 and starting from -3 -3 -1 so -3 plus 1 okay. Then -1 into 1 is -1 right plus minus starting from -2 -1 so -2 plus 1 then -1 into 0 so 0 then starting from -1 -1 so -1 plus 1 right. Then -1 into -1 plus right. So -1 into -1 is plus 1 then starting from 0 minus -1 so 0 plus 1 that is equal to plus 1 okay. Understand? Now we will do number 5. Question number 5 we will do now okay. Write down. Hello friends, now we are doing question number 5 okay and find the product using suitable properties. So here we will use distributive property first okay. प्रॉपर्टीज कौन सी यूज करनी है सब लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं तो बराबर प्रॉपर्टी का स्टडी किया होगा तो आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ पर यूज करनी है. Here we can see -48 common in two terms right. We have two terms so -48 we will take out and in bracket first term 26 in second term -36 right. So here we will have -48 26 minus 36 is -10 and minus plus so 48 tens are 480 is answer okay. Then here we can see that 125 8s are 1000 so associative property we will use okay. So we will take 8 into -125 in bracket and out of bracket we will put 53. So 125 is 1000 that we know -1000 into So answer is minus 153,000. So see friends, here we can see that without using properties also answer will be same. But here we are told that using suitable properties. So we have to use the properties. Without property we can't solve it because we are told that we have to use properties. Okay. Same way here we know that 25 4 is 100. Right, so we will make association of these two and association of these two. So we can write minus 25 into minus 4 multiply 15 into minus 10. Right, these two in bracket. So here minus minus plus. Right, 25 4 is 100. Multiply 115 tens are 15 tens are not it is 150, it is 15 tens are plus minus is minus 150. So 150 hundreds are, so here 20 here 10 total how many 0 3 0 minus 15 and triple 0. Okay, same way here what we can do, see here minus 625 we can take common. Here also we can write what minus 625 to 35 we can write minus इसको लगाओ इसको लगाओ बात एक ही है right plus minus 625 to 65. So minus 625 we can take out, minus 625 is common. So in bracket 35 plus 65, 35 plus 65 is 100. So minus 625 into 100 and that is equal to minus 625 0 is answer. Okay. Then here also we will use distributive property. Right. So minus 41 into we can write 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 is 10. Right. So minus 41. Minus 41 को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, माइनस 41 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. ओके, जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर है उसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 100 प्लस माइनस 41 into 2. Right. So minus 4100, 4100 is 4100 and 41 is 82. Okay. So minus minus plus and sign of bigger number 41 into is answer. Okay. Then f we are doing here also distributive property is there. We can do what 7 into 15, 7 into 2, 7 into 50, 7 5 is 35, 7 5 is 35, so 350 and 7 2 is 14. Now 50 minus 14 is 36. So 336 is answer. Right. Okay. Then here also we are using distributive property. Okay. So here we can write minus 17 multiply minus 30 plus 1. Minus 30 plus 1 is what? Minus 29. Okay. So minus 17 will be multiplied by 30. Minus 30 and minus 17 will be multiplied by plus 1. So minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 ones are. So minus minus plus 17 3 are 51. So 510 minus 17. Right. So 500 minus 7 493. Right. 510 उसमें से 10 निकालो तो 500 में से 7 निकालो, पहले 10 निकाला फिर 7 निकाला. Right. तो 493 is answer. Here what we can see minus 57 into minus 19. Now to take out 57 minus 57 common, we should have minus 57 more here also. So what we will do? Minus 57 multiply minus 1. माइनस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो क्या हो जाएगा माइनस 57 into माइनस 1 is plus 3 minus 19 minus 1. Right, minus 19 minus 1 is what? Minus 20. So we will write minus 57 into minus 20. Right. So here it is multiply, here it is multiply. So minus 57, 57 to the 1 was 4, 1 1 4 and 1 0. So 1 1 4 0. Right, and minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Okay. Now again I am explaining. Right, question number 5 is too much tough. This is most important question. Using properties, we have to solve the sums. See, in first term and second term, minus 48 is common term, right? दोनों टर्म में क्या है? minus 48 है. So minus 48 we will write out of the bracket, and remaining which numbers 23 and minus 36 we will write in the bracket. So 26 minus 36 is minus 10 and minus 48. Minus minus will be plus. So 48 10 is 480. Okay. Then in B what we are doing? 125 that we are knowing, that we know that it is 1000. So we are taking these two together and 53 out of the bracket. This is called associative property. Okay. Associative property क्या कहते हैं कि कोई भी दो नंबर साथ में लो, जब तीन का मल्टीप्लाई करना है और तीसरे को बाद में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Right? That whole that's associative property. So 1000 minus 1000 into 53, 53 into 1000, 53,000, and plus minus is minus. Right? Then in C 25 for the we know, and remaining two numbers we will put outside. Okay, 25 for the 100, minus minus plus, and 15 into minus 10. 15 into minus 10, 15 is the 150, and plus minus is minus. So 150 into 100 to minus 50,000. Here 1 0, here 2 0. So total 3 zeros will be there. Then here also we are using distributive property. 102. So 100 plus 2 is 102. Then using distributive property, out of the bracket number we will multiply with both the numbers in the bracket. So minus 41 will be multiplied by 100, minus 41 will be multiplied by 2. Right? So 4100 is 4100, plus minus is minus. 41 to the is 82, and plus minus is again minus. So 4 minus minus plus. What? Sign of bigger number. 4100 plus 82. So it is what? 4182. Right? And minus 4182. Then here 6 to 5 into minus 35, minus 6 to 5 into 65. Right? अभी दोनों में minus 6 to 5 नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर minus 6 to 5 कर दिया, यहाँ पर minus किया तो इसको plus कर दिया. Right? We have just interchanged the sign because they are in multiplication. Right? कोई भी नंबर 2 into minus 3 करो या 3 into minus 2 करो, आंसर will be minus 6. Right? So minus 6 to 5 to 35, minus 6 to 5 to 65. So minus 6 to 5 is common. What is left here? 35. What is left here? 65. 35 plus 65 is 100. Right? So minus 6 to 5 to 100. So minus 6 to 5, 100. Right? Plus minus is minus. Okay. Then F. Out of the bracket is 7. Okay. 7 will be multiplied by 50 and 7 will be multiplied by 2 and putting minus sign. So 7 into 50, 357 into 2 minus 14. So 350 minus 14, 50 minus 14, 36. So 36 is answer. Then here we are using again distributive property, minus 29. We will write minus 30 plus 1. So we will multiply minus 17 by minus 30 and minus 17 by 1. Right? So minus 17 into 30, minus 17 into 1, minus 17 into 30, 5 and 0, minus minus plus 17 is 51 and 1 0. 17 1 17 plus minus is minus. Okay. So 5 and 0 minus 5 and 0 minus 17, 493 is answer. Then here minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So here plus 57, here minus. So to put here minus, we will multiply it by its multiplicative minus 57 into minus 1. So minus 57 into 19 plus minus 57 into minus 1. So minus 57 will be common from both the terms. What is left? Minus 19 and minus 1 is left. Okay. So minus 57 minus 19 and minus 1 is minus 20. Minus minus plus 57 to the 114. So 1140 is answer. Okay. Write down this one.